Hey guys, this video is going to walk you through how to set up a sub-account for a new customer and transfer their devices into it. If this is your first time doing this, feel free to give us a call and we can walk you through it live. Let's get into it. Before you get started, make sure you have your customer's name, email address, and the serial number for any devices going into their account. Having those serial numbers somewhere easy to copy and paste will save you some time. Log on to the website at gpsandtrack.us. In the top left corner, click the Admin button. Then, on the left side under the blue Manage section, click on Subaccounts. From there, click New. You'll want to select the account template, then fill in the account name, first name, last name, and email. Make sure you change the role to Dealer Admin-NR. You can also update the time zone here if needed. Once everything looks good, click Create, and it will automatically send your customer an email so they can set up their username and password. Now, let's get their devices moved into the new account. Click Admin again, and in the top left corner, click the 3 lines to the right of the search bar. Copy and paste the device serial number into the Search For box, and hit the blue Search button. On the next page, click the blue Transfer button. Scroll through to find the account you just created, select it, and click Transfer Now to complete the transfer. Keep in mind that your customer will only have access to the devices you assign to their account, so make sure everything they need gets transferred over. Once everything is set up, make sure your customer has the link to the website and the mobile apps so they can log on and start viewing their devices right away. If you get stuck at any point or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Call us at 800-578-1809, option 2, or email support@gpsandtrack.com and we'll get you taken care of.